Classifications of living things. Some of the objectives that we will be learning about is the classifications of living things and the levels of classifications. What is classification? Classification is the process of grouping things based on their similarities. Biologists use classifications to organize living things into groups so that the organisms are easier to study. Most biologists classify organisms in 8 levels. First, an organism is placed in a broader group, which in turn is divided into more specific groups. The more classification levels that two organisms share, the more characteristics they have in common. Levels of classification. Here are the 8 classification levels that biologists commonly use. A domain is the highest level of organizations. Within a domain, there are kingdoms. Within kingdoms, there are phyla, singular phylum or phylum. Within phyla are classes. Within classes are orders. Within orders are families. Each family contains one or more genera, singular genus. Each genus contains one or more species. So here's the classification of humans. For kingdom is animals. For phylum is chordates. Class is mammals. Order is primates. Families hominids. Genus are Homo, and species are Homo sapiens. Scientific name. The first word in an organism's specific scientific name is its genus. A genus, plural genera, is a classification grouping that contains smaller, closely related organisms. The second word in a scientific name often describes a distinctive feature of an organism, such as where it lives or its appearances. Together, the two words indicate a unique species.